Messaged you at midnight just to say how strange it is being here. I mean, you wouldn't believe the tiny things I keep noticing. Your shoes by the radiator, milk rings on the counter, a dent in the door frame I don't remember making. La 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 la, someone else in the echo looking back at me. If you saw it tonight, would you stay? If you could reach through the pain, would I fade away? Messages go unread for hours. Sometimes I feel like a rumor in another life. Ran fingertips over water, tracing lines. Would you notice me? We made jokes about vanishing back then. Oh, what a punchline, la la la. I keep slipping through moments that weren't meant to last. You said nothing ever ends, it just drifts into new shape. But every time I see the shimmer, I'm not sure who escaped. Every reflection shows a ghost who never made it home. Every reflection and I see her, but I'm walking alone. In the cracks between us, 1,000 silent words unfold. Every reflection shows a ghost who never made it home. Still I'm here, still I'm changing. Oh, you watch me from some place I've never been. Still I'm here, still rearranging. Oh, my hands waving at a version slipping past